In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a TradingView free trial. This process is straightforward, but it's important to ensure each step is completed so you won't be charged after the trial period ends. First, open your browser. This can be any browser you prefer, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Type TradingView into the search bar and hit Enter. This simple action will pull up a list of results. TradingView is a popular platform, so it should appear at the top of your search results. Once you see the list of results, open the correct link to TradingView. Make sure you're clicking on the official TradingView website. It should be one of the first links and will usually have a URL that ends in tradingview.com. This is crucial to avoid any potential phishing sites. The correct link ensures you're navigating to the proper platform. With the TradingView page open, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login details, which typically include your email and password. After entering your information, click the login button to access your account. This step is important because it grants you access to your subscription settings. After you're logged in, you'll want to click on your profile picture or username icon, which is also in the top right corner. This will open a drop-down menu. From there, you'll be able to access various account settings. Clicking here is essential because it leads you directly to where you can manage your subscription. In the drop-down menu, select Account and Billing. This option will take you to a page where all your billing details and subscription plans are listed. It's like the control center for your account's financial settings. This step is important because it ensures you're in the right place to manage or cancel your subscriptions. Once you're on the Account and Billing page, scroll down until you see the Subscription or Plan Details section. This section contains information about your current plan. It's where you can check which trial or subscription you are currently on. Scrolling down to this section is necessary because that's where the cancellation option will be located. Next, locate your active trial. You'll see details about the trial, including the expiration date. Once you find it, look for the Cancel Trial button. Clicking this button is the key action that begins the cancellation process. This ensures that you won't be charged once the trial period is over. After clicking the Cancel Trial button, follow the prompts that appear. These prompts will guide you through the cancellation process. You'll be asked to select a reason for leaving. Be honest in your selection, as this feedback can be useful for the platform's improvements. Finally, click Confirm to complete the cancellation. This final action is crucial as it ensures your trial is truly canceled and you avoid future charges. And there you have it, a simple way to cancel your TradingView free trial. Remember, it's always a good idea to keep track of trial periods to avoid unexpected charges. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.